Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a story that transcends the boundaries of sport and history, a tale that unfolds on the field of battle, both athletic and ideological. Prepare to journey back to the heart of World War II, where two unlikely teams clashed in what came to be known as the death match. This gripping account is a testament to the power of unity, courage, and the indomitable spirit of the human soul. Picture a world gripped by the chaos of World War II, where nations were pitted against each other, and uncertainty clouded the future. In the midst of this darkness, an extraordinary event was about to unfold. Enter two teams, Dynamo Kyiv and the German Lokomotyv team, seemingly worlds apart in both football skills and allegiances. Dynamo Kyiv, a team with a storied history and immense pride, had been forced to play under a cloud of oppression as Nazi forces occupied Ukraine. The fateful day arrived, August 9, 1942. As the teams took to the field, the roar of the crowd masked the underlying tension. In a stadium filled with soldiers, diplomats, and onlookers, an unexpected spirit emerged. The hope of something greater than the war itself. As the match unfolded, something extraordinary happened. Dynamo Kyiv, fueled by a desire to assert their resilience, defied the odds. They played with a fervor that went beyond the game, a message of unity and defiance against oppression. The Lokomotyv team, confident in their superiority, found themselves confronted with a reality they hadn't anticipated. The impossible became possible. Dynamo Kyiv, against all odds, emerged victorious, stunning both the audience and their adversaries. A team playing for more than just pride had triumphed over a team representing a regime of power. But the death match was more than a football victory. It was a spark of hope in a time of darkness. The Dynamo Kyiv players showed that even in the face of oppression, the human spirit could rise above and unite for a higher purpose. The aftermath of the death match was far from a fairy tale ending. The Dynamo Kyiv players faced severe repercussions, and some even paid the ultimate price for their defiance. But their courage left an indelible mark on history, reminding us that sports can serve as a powerful form of resistance. Today, the legacy of the death match lives on as a testament to the unwavering spirit of those who dared to stand against tyranny. It reminds us that even in the darkest of times, a simple game can ignite a flame of unity, hope, and courage that transcends the boundaries of the pitch. And so, dear viewers, we conclude our journey through the pages of history, where football and human resilience converged in the most remarkable of ways. If this story touched your heart and kindled your spirit, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, even in the fiercest battles, the spirit of camaraderie and hope can shine through, reminding us of the profound impact we can have on each other's lives.